Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Dr. Madhavi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. The holiday season is here and I know many kidney patients feel worried during festivals. With chronic kidney disease, you are constantly reminded to avoid high sodium, high potassium and high phosphorus foods. And suddenly during holidays, you see sweets, snacks and heavy meals everywhere. So in today's video, I am bringing you the perfect solution. 3 delicious, comforting, festive recipes that every kidney patient can eat safely. These recipes are low in sodium, low in potassium, low in phosphorus and packed with antioxidants. And the best part is that they taste just like festive food. So you won't feel left out during celebrations. So stay with me till the end and don't forget to support our videos for more kidney related health issues. Alright, let's begin with recipe number 1. Our first holiday recipe is warm, sweet, festive style breakfast for kidney patients. What ingredients do you need to take? You need to take half cup quick quinoa, half cup diced apple, a small pinch of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon honey, half cup water and a few blueberries for garnish. See, before preparing this, let's know why it is kidney friendly. Quinoa is low in phosphorus, low sodium grain that gives energy without burdening your kidneys. Apples add antioxidants and fiber without increasing potassium levels too much. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar and digestion. Let's know how to prepare this. Warm the quinoa in a pan with a little water. Add chopped apples and let them soften for 2 to 3 minutes. Sprinkle cinnamon and mix gently. Add honey if you want mild sweet flavor. Garnish with blueberries and serve warm. This is a perfect holiday morning recipe. Comforting, aromatic and completely kidney safe. Alright, so our next recipe is stir fry veggies and tofu. It's colorful, nutritious lunch or dinner with a festive touch. You need to take half cup diced tofu, half cup chopped cauliflower, half cup chopped carrots, 1/4 cup chopped bell peppers, 1 tablespoon olive oil, lemon juice and black pepper. Now let's know how to prepare this recipe. Heat olive oil in a non-stick pan, add carrots and saute for 2 minutes. Add cauliflower and bell peppers, cook until lightly soft. Add tofu cubes and saute gently without breaking them. Finish with lemon juice and sprinkle of black pepper. This dish looks colorful, festive and tempting. Perfect for a guilt-free holiday lunch or dinner. Now, the third tasty and yummy recipe is blueberry and oat dessert. It is a sweet treat that kidney patients can finally enjoy during festivals. Well, you need to include half cup rolled oats, half cup blueberries, 1 small spoon maple syrup or honey, half cup unsweetened soy milk and a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg. See, oats are low in sodium and good for digestion. Blueberries are antioxidants, rich and safe for kidneys. Soy milk is low in potassium and phosphorus compared to regular milk. Now let's know how to prepare this recipe. Dry roast the oats for 1 to 2 minutes to bring out aroma. In a bowl, add roasted oats, blueberries, soy milk and maple syrup. Mix gently. Sprinkle cinnamon or nutmeg on the top. Chill for 15 minutes or serve immediately. This dessert tastes festive, sweet and creamy without sugar load or kidney stress of regular sweets. Alright, I have shared 3 holiday kidney friendly recipes. You can try them during any festival, Diwali, Christmas, New Year and enjoy guilt-free celebrations while protecting your kidneys. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more kidney health related videos. Thanks.